this is make this line like this 1 and 2. Acha. First make the oval. So see this here is the oval. Mama chacha na. So I share you how to draw this one. Okay, just see here. I just explain. I just show you what to do here. This is a head. Okay, this is a head. This is a torso. This is a pelvis. The three colors over there, right? Head, torso, pelvis. See? So, and this add it over here. And sorry, I just make it. Sorry. Mama, don't shouting. Yeah. So here, just see. Here's the one leg. Here's the one leg. Two legs. And see the hand also. Here is the one hand. One hand. No, now start when I telling that one hand and the two hand. Now your time is start. I share you first. Not start. Okay. So here. So make it the head, torso, pelvis. Okay. Head, torso, pelvis. सब लगी है head, torso, pelvis. See here, like this, the main basic like this. Okay, basic like this. So now I just make it the head, torso, pelvis. Here is the one hand, and another hand is coming from this side.
Sir, can I use your pencil, sir?
And the leg, here is the one leg. And one other leg. Now your time start. Draw this drawing, the basic first. See, I make here one line. 1, 2. One line I do like this. Make one eye like this. Enough, Shangita.
Sir, he's keep on talking.
Focus here. Make the eyes over here. Eyebrow over here. This is a Mulan or something character.
This is from Stitch.
Stitch. What the character name, beta? So this is the mouth. So here Goku other name. So this same line you have draw the ear. Okay. Don't draw now. Just watch. Make it like this. See I just draw the hair like this. But very simple. Now first make the hair. Okay. Just make like this. Okay. First I show you what to draw. First make this. Okay.